Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the Hollywood Racks Sport Rider Tray Style Bike Rack. Now this bike rack is easy to use and a reliable way to secure your bikes on your next adventure with friends or family. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how to put it together and some of its features. We're going to start with the Hollywood Racks anti-wobble system. Take your pivot bolt, put on one flat washer, through from the opposite side of the spring pin, another flat washer, and loosely install the lock nut. Use your two provided wrenches to now tighten down the pivot bolt. Next, you will put the wheel tubes on with the wheel brace using 4 provided carriage bolts. Insert the wheel tube. Bracket goes up over the tube. Lift up the bracket now and make sure that the wheel tube goes under the bracket. You can now insert your 2 final carriage bolts. Washer first. You can use the provided socket. Repeat on the other side. To change the bar from the folded to in-use position, remove the L pin, rotate the arm, and reinsert the L pin. You can now install the locking frame hooks, long one first, short one second. Press the button. You can now install the wheel holders. Now insert your wheel holder stop screw. There is a threaded nut underneath here. Provided tool. Repeat on the other side. Hollywood Racks has provided 2 small wheel adapters. Now these 2 pieces are intended for use only with a 20-inch diameter fat tire bike that feature a rear derailleur style gear changer. Use the provided Allen key to tighten it into place. We're now ready to put the bike rack on the vehicle. It may be helpful to grab a second set of hands. This bike rack is a little heavy. Now you can tighten the front lever until all the play is taken out of the hitch tube and the hitch receiver. It may be helpful to lift up on the bike rack to get one last tighten. You can now pull the spring pin and lift the bike rack up. In order to tilt the bike rack away from the vehicle, remove the through pin. Once again, pull out on your top spring pin. You're now ready to load the bikes. We need to put the bike rack in the stored position by removing the L pin, lowering the up tube, so we can load the first bike. There is a provided 7-foot security cable to lock the bikes up during a ride. The final thing Hollywood Racks provided was a strap. to strap the bike or multiple bikes to the center frame to keep them from wobbling around. The Sport Rider e-bike rack can hold two 80-pound bikes and allows for a 5-inch wide tire. That concludes our review of the Sport Rider electric bike rack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you out there. If you have any questions about this bike rack, or if you'd like to take a closer look at one, visit your nearest U-Haul Hitch Center or visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.